Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Armin, and in this video, I will show you how to model a rotary, circular, and square cylinder in a fluid domain. For the sake of simplicity, and to reduce computational costs, I will utilize the 2D domain. In physics, I'm going to select laminar flow. Laminar flow is used for low Reynolds numbers. In the study, I'm going to select stationary. I'm going to create a rectangle and subtract a circle from it. Now it's time to define boundary conditions. I will set an inlet velocity and assign a value of 0.1 to it. I will assign an outlet on the laterals and the right side of the domain. Now I have to specify a speed for the walls of the cylinder. So I'm going to enable the checkbox of the sliding wall. I'm going to specify 1 meter per second speed. In mesh settings, element size, I'm going to select extremely fine. Finally, I'm going to hit the compute and wait for the solution. Okay, this is contour of velocity. I will create a streamline for a better demonstration of direction flow. I'm going to enable the arrow to see better the direction of flow. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.